Alright, so now I've got the duct cut out, and what you should remember, this was a straight piece of duct, and so what we're going to do, just to show you what it's going to look like before I do the S's and drives. Take that piece and you turn it over. This piece, and you turn it over, and that'll give you a 3-piece 90. And then what you do now, because we're going to put an S-lock on here and drive, that you take and you cut that back like that, cut that back, cut that back about an inch. I mean, you see I'm not really measuring. So you get the idea what you have to do with those. You just cut your notches out. We had to, because this because of the seam there, I had to cut it half. Okay, I'm going to finish cutting the other one, and then when I come back, we'll get it bent up for the S's and the drives. Alright, so I got the other side cut out. So now what you do is you just put it together. Alright, so that's that one. That's out. Oh, I didn't cut that one corner. Okay, so they're all cut together. They're all put together. And what you got to do now, we got to make our drives. So what you do is you take your folding tongs, and what you want to do is you want to do a 1/2 inch. Alright, and all you got to do when you do the 1/2 inch, just fold it over like that. Kind of off a little bit, but that's alright. And all you have to do on this one here is just the pieces you cut, because that's going to be your raw side for your other straight duct. Okay, got that. But on your center piece, you have to do all four sides. Alright, so that's the dries cut. You got your S's, you got your dries.